This has been the craziest experiment I have ever done on eBay. Does promoting listings help with sales? I was of the opinion that I don't think it makes a whole lot of difference. I think there are more important things that you need to pay attention to. But what I thought I would do is run an experiment where I put 10 of my oldest items on a 100% promoted listing. 100% promoted listing. In other words, eBay has all of the incentive to promote the listing. There's not a downside for them. They get all the money. So it should appear at the top of whatever category eBay's going to pump it out in. The other thing that I chose not to do to make my experiment reasonably valid is I didn't change my listings. I didn't go in and make them a more attractive price. I didn't improve my pictures. I did nothing to them other than promote them. I decided to let that run for a week and let's see what happened. The results are absolutely stunning. After I recorded my initial one, put my items up for promotion, only then did it occur to me, has anybody else tried this? And somebody has. If you're not following John over at Flippin' Ain't Easy, go give him a follow. He's done this very same experiment. He chose 3 items and ran the experiment and really truly approaches his experiment from a different point of view than mine because he's very analytical about what happened within each listing. And so you definitely need to go give that one a follow. And I did ask him if it was okay for me to go ahead and run mine. I had already started, but I didn't want to step on his toes. And of course he said it was fine. Let's dive into exactly what I did. I went into my listings. So we're going to go look at the start date. And I am going to pick out 10 items that haven't sold for whatever reason. And regardless of the price, I am going to revise these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we are going to take 10 items that haven't sold in at least 2 years. So we're going to select all of these, and then we're going to come up here to bulk edit, scroll on down to promoted listings. I'm going to update the promoted listings, and I'm not going to use the suggested ad rates. I'm going to use a single ad rate for all of these, and we're going to set this at 100%, which means that if they actually sell, I'll lose money. They are all submitted. We're done in 1 week's time. Let's see if anything of those 10 items that haven't sold in at least 3 years, let's see if any of those have sold. I sold an item. One of my items actually sold, which gives me a lot of perspective on how the billing works with a promoted listing. Because even though it's always been in black and white, I don't know that I ever paid attention to it enough to work out what happens when they give when eBay gets a very high percentage of it. But there were some unexpected consequences of this that shocked me. And I'll be curious for you to tell me what you think. First, let's talk about the item that sold. I had this amazing swing jacket. I think that this was one that I originally priced really, really high way back in the day because I love it. But it just never got any traction. I still love it. I thought it was amazing. So I promote it at 100%, and I get somebody who buys it who is super excited. And I'm excited because it's part of my experiment. I actually sold one of the items. This, I'm sure you've heard the saying that play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That sale absolutely clobbered me. Let's look at why. When you use 100% promoted listings, let's talk about what eBay does. So if an item sells for a certain amount of money, eBay gets all of that. On top of that, they still charge the final value fees on the total amount. Even though they're getting all of it, they charge their final value fees on the total amount, and then you pay shipping if you didn't have shipping rolled into the price of your item. And then I thought, well, gosh, like I've lost like $30 on this sale over and above the sale money. Like I owe eBay for selling this item. As an insult to injury, when I shipped this item out, and this has nothing on eBay, 100% on me, I put it into a 12 by 12 by 8 priority box, shipped it out. A couple of weeks later, I got a notice that I had underpaid the shipping because it wasn't a 12 by 12 by 8 priority box. It was a 12 by 12 by 6 large flat rate box. So I owed an additional $7 and some cents just out of sheer carelessness. So far, if you're looking at 100% promoted listings rate, you can see, first, don't be an idiot and ship it in the wrong box. And two, it's going to cost you money. You're going to pay eBay for the privilege of selling this, and you're going to ship your item off. Now, the unexpected consequences. I went in and took everything off of promoted listings and came to the conclusion right away that really the only way you're going to sell anything is you got to have good items, a good listing with good pictures at a good price, get that out in front of people. If you want to improve your business, improve those things first. Promoted listings can obviously improve the visibility of your item, like my jacket. But after I ended the promotion, I sold 2 more of those original 10 items, and they did not sell under promoted listings. They didn't. When they first sold, I panicked. I thought, you're going to be at 100%. I'm just going to get completely clobbered on this experiment. But they sold without being promoted. In other words, the people didn't look at it when it was promoted, and then within the 30 days they buy it and I pay promoted anyway. They sold full price. And I just got the money. Not only that, 2 of the other items have had viewers that I've been able to send out offers on that didn't sell. But very curious, the after effect of promoted listing, that some of these items were still more visible than they had been. And some of them sold. So out of my 10 original items, 1 sold. Thank goodness, only 1 sold. 2 of them sold after the promoted listing experiment was over and didn't count as promoted. And then 2 others had new watchers that I was able to send out offers to. That's a lot. That's a lot to absorb. That is a lot to analyze. I'm really curious what y'all think of the experiment. Big shout out to John over at Flippin' Ain't Easy, because super cool for me to work with, and absolutely didn't poo-poo on my parade when I was doing the exact same thing that he did. Super guy. But I would love to know what you think. Post down in the comments. First of all, roast me. I'm an idiot. I shipped it in the wrong box, paid 100%, paid extra money. I did still make absolutely sure that the customer was happy with the jacket, because ultimately that's more important than the money that I lost. But for me, an expensive but very fun experiment. I'd love to know what you think. Post it down in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.